How to copy a Discord server. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can copy the link of a certain Discord server, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change the link of a Discord server, open up the Discord application here. Once you launch a Discord app, so if you want to go ahead and then basically copy the link, first just tap the three dots option over here next to that Discord. Over here you'll find many options, where one of the options you'll find is called invite. So tap on invite. From this invite option you can see this link is going to expire in 7 days. But what you can do is you can tap the gear icon over here, set the 7 days to never, and then just tap the save option. Once you have done that, now you can simply choose to copy this link, and no matter how long it has been, this link will always be active because this is a never expiring link. People who have this link will be able to join our Discord server and you can send them to others. This way you should be able to copy a link of a Discord server. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.